Hello everyone, it's me Zainul Abidin here. So today I'm going to show you my Capstone project on Kaggle 5 days AI agent intensive course. So here's the problem. Companies want to use AI agents, but they're terrified. Why? Because fast agents are risky. They can leak customer data, expose passwords, or execute dangerous commands. But safe agents are slow. They require 2 to 3 days of manual approval. This creates a massive blocker. CIOs only deploy agent they can trust. Compliance team rejects anything without an audit trail. And this results in 80% of potential agents deployments never happen. So I asked, can we build agents that are simultaneously fast, safe, and auditable? So you can see here the Y agents. So you can say Y agents. So why not just use a single chatbot? Because a single LLM can be jailbroken with clever prompts. But there's no separation of concerns, no parallel processing, no audit trail. Multi-agent architecture solves this through specialization and isolation. I have a security agent that only evaluates safety, a data agent that only handles queries, an action agent that only executes. So but here's the key: it literally cannot execute without a cryptographic token from a security agent. This is the architectural enforcement, not a prompt-based suggestions. But even if someone jailbreaks, the LLM, the code-based security checks still block dangerous requests. So let me walk you through the architecture diagram here. So first, the user request goes to the LLM orchestrator powered by Gemini. It classifies the task type and disk label. And next it hits the security firewall. You can see here. This runs 3 checks in parallel using async queue. First check PII detection with regex pattern with catch credit cards numbers, SSNs, and phone numbers. Second check is restricted action blocking. We immediately block dumb databases, export all dangerous comments. And third check is role-based permission validation. User can only do low-risk tasks and then get full access. And all 3 checks run at the same time, no waiting. So if all checks pass the security agent, means a unique token. If any check fails, the request is blocked and locked. Only with a valid token can a specialized agent execute. So the data agent and content agent here, you can see your content agent and action agent all work in parallel. So you can see the 4 agents working in parallel. Then finally, everything is logged into this audit trail. So every decision, every timestamp, every agent through complete transparency for compliance. Now let me show you this working, and I'm going to run 3 demos. So first, our normal request. Here you can see. First, our normal request like analyze queue for sales spends. So what's the agent brain timeline on the left here? So you can see that you can see each agent thinking in real time. The orchestrator receives the request. Security agent checks PII passes. Security agent checks permission passes. Then you can see here the security agent means a token, and specialist executes in parallel. Request proceeds in under 4 seconds. Request succeeds, and audit trail is created. You can see here audit trail is created. Then let's go to the demo 2. Now a malicious request with, you can see now a malicious request with PII. You can see the export customer credit with SNN. You can see the number SSN. Then watch what happens. The PII detector catches the credit card number. You can see the credit card number here. So 4532. Then it catches the social security number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And request blocked immediately. You can see the request is blocked here. Then the action agent never even sees it. This is the security layer working. Now let's go to another demo here. You can see one more dangerous action. You can see here is dump databases and export all records. Again, this one is also blocked here. The restricted action detector caught dump database immediately. So you can see the audit here, and here's the audit track. Every single decision logged with a unique ID, timestamp, and a result. This is what compliance teams need. And this complete transparency, no guessing, no trust me. So this is how I build this. So you can see how did I build this angle. So I use Python with async for true parallel execution. Google Gemini for semantic search. So Google Gemini for semantic search. And classification with the keyboard-based fallback if the data is unavailable. The security layer uses regex. And security layer uses regex pattern for PII detection, catching SSNs, credit cards, phone numbers, and email. Role-based access control enforces permission users can only handle those class, while admin can full access the agent brain classes, visualize everything in real time, every thought, every decision, every timestamp. So what we demonstrate here is that multi-agent orchestrates 5 agents working together, evaluation frameworks, security checks before execution, observability, real-time agent brain, and audit log. So this is a production-ready async pattern, true parallelism, not simulated data. And if I had more time, I would add like ML-based PII detection for even smarter blocking, manager approval dashboard for handling false positive deployment as a microservices in Google Cloud Agent Engine, but the function is solid and production ready. And this is the production ready code available here. And enterprise agent with guardrails, fast, safe, and auditable agents for enterprise. If you want to see the full code and documentation, the link is in the video description. So thank you for watching.